Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by melting 2 tablespoons butter over medium heat. This creates the fat base that carries flavor. Once the butter foams, add minced garlic and stir for 20-30 seconds so it softens without browning. Make sure to pour in 1 cup heavy cream next and bring it to a gentle simmer. You want warmth so the sauce thickens, not a boil which can split the cream. Keep stirring to integrate the garlic and butter into the cream. Once the cream gently simmers, reduce heat to low and let it thicken for 3-4 minutes. Evaporation concentrates flavor and improves spreadability. You should whisk constantly while adding 1/2 cup grated Parmesan in small additions so it melts evenly and the sauce stays silky. If it looks too thin, simmer another minute. If too thick, whisk in 1-2 tablespoon milk. Make sure to taste and add salt, pepper, and a small pinch of nutmeg. You spread a thin, even layer of Alfredo on your pizza dough, leaving a small rim for the crust. Thinner layers bake better. Once topped, bake at 475 degrees for 10-12 minutes until the crust is golden and toppings set. If the sauce splits or becomes grainy, remove the pizza from heat and whisk in about 1 tablespoon warm cream off the heat to re-emulsify. Alternatively, a quick stir while warm will bring it back to a smooth texture.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.